Welcome to another episode of Getaway Diaries. Today we are exploring the fairy pools.
The fairy pools are a series of natural pools and waterfalls in Glen Brittle on the Isle of Skye, Scotland.
Located on the northern slopes of the magnificent Black Cuillin range, Skye's famous fairy pools are beautiful crystal clear blue pools.
These pools can be seen sneaking down the hillside into Glen Brittle, where it becomes the River Brittle.
This walk to the pools follows a wide, smooth and firm gravel path with footbridges crossing over the water. It takes about 20 minutes to arrive at the first and the largest waterfall that marks the start of the pools. This first waterfall is the highest fall and the deepest pool. For the brave only, there are some great high jumps.
The next pool is probably the most famous of them all, a beautiful clear blue pool which is ideal for swimming. It features the shape of a natural arch.
There are many small pools as you walk up the river.
The path in the upper section is narrower and not gravelled, so after heavy rain it could be boggy.
This walk can be considered as short in length and medium in difficulty. Take some time to work your way up and explore all the pools.
To return to the car park, we used the same path back. This walk is suitable in most normal weather conditions, but if it has been raining hard, the water tends to rise up. The best months to visit fairy pools are from April to September.
Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to watch our next episode in the Isle of Skye.